Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale your online business with BigCommerce, detailed guide step by step clearly. To start scaling your online business with BigCommerce, you first need to create a robust business plan. Identify your target audience and their specific needs. Conduct market research to understand your competition and industry trends. Once you have a clear plan, sign up for a BigCommerce account. Choose the appropriate pricing plan that suits your business size and needs. Next, customize your online store template to align with your brand identity. Incorporate high-quality images and compelling product descriptions to attract customers. Set up reliable payment gateways to facilitate smooth transactions. Ensure your shipping options are diverse to cater to different customer preferences. Integrate essential tools and apps from the BigCommerce marketplace to enhance functionality. Implement SEO best practices on your product pages to improve search engine visibility. Utilize social media platforms to promote your products and engage with your audience. Monitor your analytics regularly to track your sales and customer behaviors. Leverage email marketing campaigns to nurture leads and encourage repeat purchases. Explore partnerships with influencers in your niche to expand your reach. Consider starting a blog to share relevant content and drive organic traffic to your store. Constantly assess and update your product offerings based on market demand. Engage with customer feedback to enhance the shopping experience. Focus on building a strong customer service system to handle inquiries and issues effectively. Finally, set up a growth strategy that includes scaling operations as your customer base increases. By following these steps, you will be well on your way to scaling your online business with BigCommerce. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.